Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is packed with exciting news for all you tech enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, AI, and its booming presence in India. Get ready to be inspired by cutting-edge advancements and a wave of opportunities. First up, the Department of Science and Technology, DST, collaborated with T-Hub to launch a brand new machine learning and artificial intelligence technology hub, MATH, in Hyderabad. This initiative focuses on accelerating AI innovation, creating jobs, and fostering a supportive ecosystem for AI and ML startups. The hub boasts a mini data center with powerful GPUs for high-performance computing, a customized learning management system for skill development, and robust data infrastructure to support various AI applications. This news follows the Indian government's ambitious plan to establish a 10,000 GPU supercomputer, marking a significant step towards self-sufficiency in AI advancement. Additionally, the recent India AI mission with a budget of 2,000 crore rupees further highlights the government's commitment to propelling India's position in the global AI landscape. The private sector is also actively contributing to the AI revolution. Companies like Infibeam Avenues Limited are launching pioneering platforms like Thea to empower businesses with video AI solutions for transforming their operations. HCL Technologies' Gen AI model is another example, aiming to revolutionize the software development lifecycle. Innovation extends beyond just business applications. A Kerala-based innovator has secured a patent for a portable track and kill suicide drone. This invention demonstrates the potential of AI for addressing critical social issues. Suicide is a complex problem with no single solution, but AI-powered drones could play a role in preventing tragedies. Imagine a scenario where a suicidal individual is identified by a drone equipped with facial recognition and thermal imaging. The drone could then intervene by deploying resources or establishing communication to defuse the situation. Of course, ethical considerations surrounding privacy and weaponization of AI need to be carefully addressed. However, this example highlights the potential of AI to create positive societal impact, not just generate profits. Hyderabad is further solidifying its position as a major AI hub by hosting the upcoming Global AI Summit in July. This event will bring together leading researchers, developers, and industry leaders from around the world to discuss the latest advancements in AI and its applications across various sectors. The summit will also provide a platform for startups and entrepreneurs to showcase their innovative ideas and connect with potential investors and collaborators. Whether you're a seasoned AI professional or just starting your journey in this field, the Global AI Summit is a must-attend event to stay updated on the cutting edge of AI and explore the vast opportunities it presents. Indian AI startups are making a significant mark on the global stage by helping enterprises seamlessly integrate generative AI applications into their workflows. This demonstrates the immense potential of these startups to revolutionize various industries and establish India as a leader in the field of generative AI. These developments paint a clear picture. India is rapidly becoming a major player in the AI game. This presents a plethora of opportunities for aspiring techies and researchers. If you're passionate about AI, there's no better time to jump on board. For more information on these exciting advancements and to stay updated on the ever-evolving world of AI, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.